I'm the map, I'm the map.
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the map!
Dora wants to be a lady too! Ha ha ha! Where do we go to get pretty things to make her look nice? Go to Dora's grandma! Her grandma gave her the bracelet. How about the beauty store? It has all kinds of things that ladies like. Go to the robot house. You can make anything there. Where do we go first? Robot house. Hi, I'm Dora's cousin Diego. Do you know that today is Daisy's 15th birthday? Oh, really? Make sure you come to her birthday party.
Look, Dora, it's Diego.
Hi, Dora and Boots.
Hi. What are you doing at the robot house, Diego?
I need something for Daisy's birthday party.
Me too. Come on, let's go.
Oh, it's Daisy's birthday?
Yes!
And it's her 15th birthday?
Yes!
There's something she needs on a day like this. A crown!
Wow! How about Dora?
I was making a headband. I'll give you one when I finish making it. Will you help me? Choose the color you want and color the headband.
Orange. Wow, it's pretty. Green. Fantastic. Purple. Wow. Pink. Wow, it's pretty. Green. Wow, it's pretty. Purple. Fantastic. Green. Wow. Pink. Wow.
Great! We finished coloring it. Let's put a jewel on each headband.
Circle shape. Wow. Diamond shape. It's amazing. Star shape. Wow. Heart shape. Wow. Circle shape. It's amazing. Heart shape. Fantastic. Diamond shape. It's amazing. Star shape. Fantastic.
Great! We made the headband. This is Daisy's crown. Which jewel do we put on it? Round shape! Fantastic! We're finished! Thank you very much! Now, ta-da! Dora, which headband do you want?
I want the pink one. Great! Wow! It's really pretty, Dora! Great!
Fantastic!
Thank you! When Daisy puts on that crown, she will look like a queen.
Really?
Yeah! With your help, we got a pretty headband in Daisy's crown. We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for helping.
I'm the bat, I'm the mat.
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the mat.
I hope all your dreams come true. Where do we go next? Say leash.
Dora, you hear that?
You hear that too? Where?
What should I do? What should I do?
Roberto! Dora, it's our friend Roberto the robot.
What are you doing, Roberto?
I'm making firecrackers for the New Year's firework festival.
Wow! Cool!
Ugh, but I don't know what color and shape would be good.
All we need to do is design fireworks?
Yes. Once it's done, I can make firecrackers.
All right. Will you help Roberto make firecrackers? Great! What firecracker is good? Yeah, flowery firecracker. We need your help. Will you draw fireworks for us? Good! Great! Yeah! Fantastic! It's going to be the Fantastic Firework Festival.
My turn! I'm going to draw a mirror firework. Will you draw fireworks? Yeah! Yeah! Fantastic! It's amazing! Let's show them to Roberto fast!
Roberto! We do flowery fireworks and mirrory fireworks. Do you like them?
Like them? Yeah?
Wow, they are so great! Very nice!
Yeah!
Ta-da!
Wow! Are they firecrackers?
Yes.
Now we can watch a beautiful firework festival.
Good, we're ready now.
Great! Let's count the numbers together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This new year, I hope my friend Benny, Isa, Tico, and beloved Mom and Dad are all happy.
I wish my grandpa stays healthy.
Dora, how about me?
Boo! Boots, you have to go on adventures with me all the time, right?
Of course!
We had a great fireworks festival on New Year's Day. Thanks for helping.
I'm the map, I'm the map.
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the map!
Thanks to you, we really enjoyed the nice fireworks. Where do we go next? Grandma's house!
Boots and I are on the way to my grandma's house. We'll say New Year's greeting to my grandma. Do you see grandma's house?
I don't see anything.
How about you? Do you see it? Where?
Yeah, there it is! You found it! You found it! Oh, Dora? I hear the phone ringing.
I guess my grandma is calling me. Will you check my backpack? You have to say backpack. Louder! Backpack!
Backpack, 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 backpack. I'm the backpack loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got aside for you. Backpack, 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 backpack. Yeah! Hello. We have to find Dora's phone fast. Maybe Dora's grandma called her. Listen to find the phone. Which shape is the phone under? Good listening. Let's see what other things are here. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious.
Dora, hurry! We all have been waiting for you.
Okay, Grandma. I'll be there soon.
Remember, I put all lucky bags on every forked road. They are rainbow-colored bags with a heart shape.
All right, Grandma. See you soon.
Don't forget, rainbow-colored bags with a heart shape.
Grandma's waiting for us.
Yeah, come on, let's go!
Run, run! Run, Boots!
Run, Dora, run, run, run!
Run, Boots!
Run, Dora, run, run, run! Huh? Who is it?
It's Big Red Chicken!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Dora, a forked road!
All we have to do is to find Grandma's lucky bag. Rainbow-colored bag with a heart shape.
Where do we have to go?
Uh-oh!
Where do we have to go?
Right! This way! Run, Boots!
Run, Dora, run, run, run!
Run, Boots!
Run, Dora! Run, run, run! Huh? Who is it?
It's Tico the squirrel!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Where do we have to go?
Excellent! This way! Run, Boots!
Run, Dora! Run, run, run!
Run, Boots!
Run, Dora! Run, run, run! Huh? Who is it?
It's Benny the bull!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Where do we have to go?
Excellent! This way! Run, Boots!
Run, Dora! Run, run, run!
Run, Boots!
Run, Dora! Run, run, run! Huh? Who is it?
It's Isa the iguana!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Yay! Here we are! There's my grandma's house!
Yay!
Oh, Dora, Boots, come on in.
You're just in time.
Grandma! Happy New Year!
Thank you, thank you. You too, Dora and Boots.
Thank you, Grandma!
Do you want to wish Happy New Year to my family? Here's my grandma.
Happy New Year! Get along with Dora and have fun.
Here's my dad.
Happy New Year!
Here's my mom.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
We made it to Grandma's house safely. We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for helping.
I'm the map, I'm the map,
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the map!
It's good to share New Year's greetings with Dora's family.
We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it!
Yeah, we did it.
We did it! Yeah!
We said Happy New Year to everybody.
We did it.
We did it! We did it! Hooray!
We flew the kite with our wishes on! Hooray!
We did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray!
We had a New Year's firework festival.
And we made really nice fireworks together! Yeah! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah!